Bloodspill28 from YouTube. Hi YouTube, and we're doing a knock and run on this random house. I don't know who it is, but I think there's an old grandma with a son in there. And I'm gonna go do a knock and run. James, position. Yeah. Go to your position. Alright, go. Okay. Lie down, lie down. Oh shit. Oh! Run, run, run! 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 Oh shit!
You're filming this?
No!
I'm calling the cops.